is how simple it is. And she stops feeding her own young. The calf doesn't take that milk. And what do? We keep, even itne bade ho gaye to we consume this milk, even till today. So the milk is really the best food, but for whom? For the calf, not for us. What is the composition of milk? It's exactly as the calf needs. It's not for us. एक गाय का बच्चा 2 साल में फुल साइज का हो जाता है, 200 किलो का होता है, उसका ग्रोथ कितना फटाफट होता है. एंड ह्यूमन चाइल्ड 18 years. इट्स द फूड फॉर ग्रोथ. इसका कंपोजिशन इतना अच्छा होता है कि वो फटाफट बड़ा हो जाए. ह्यूमन चाइल्ड टेक्स द सेम मिल्क, व्हाट विल हैपन? वो भी फटाफट बड़ा हो जाएगा. यू एग्री विथ मी? और फिर ऐसे नहीं होंगे तो ऐसे हो जाएगा. यू गेट माई पॉइंट? If you continue to consume the milk, if you don't grow this way, you're going to grow this way. Which is the industry that's really thriving in Mumbai about awareness? Weight loss. Weight loss clinics are thriving. How do they charge? By the kilos. Do you know that? 5 kilo loss होगा. They promise you 1 kilo free मिलेगा उसके ऊपर. This is all because of the dairy industry. Because you are eating, you are consuming when you don't need it anymore. Actually, dairy destroys your bones. It is very acidic. It takes away the calcium from your bone instead of giving you the calcium. These are the studies that I understood, and I am now inspiring others to do all about it.
Excuse me. So if we are telling milk is, I mean, I am also reading that milk is, now the industry is moving towards not use of milk. But
Exactly.
we ourselves have been born and brought up. We have been consuming regular amounts, maybe a glass or whatever, of milk since many, many years now. How come we are not being, we have not been affected until now? Right? Like why this is coming the right now?
If you do your body profile, if you do your cholesterol, triglyceride, and if you figure it out, if you do your calcium, then I can judge on your health status. How old are you?
26.
36. So, if you have your cholesterol level done, if you have your blood pressure and other things done, then I can talk about it, that how it's going to harm you. Wait for a while, the accumulation will happen. There is a tolerance power, how much your body can process. After a while, it will happen. Are there diseases? There is a new term that is used by medical industry. It's called as metabolic syndrome X. Now, metabolic syndrome X is a combination of 5 different things. Diabetes, how many of you have somebody in your family who has diabetes? आपके हैं? High blood pressure? अच्छा. Thyroid problems? In women, PCOD, polycystic ovarian disease. Anyone? Obesity? मोटे हैं थोड़े, obesity 5 किलो ज़्यादा है. Looks like everybody is healthy. But now you have in your family diabetes, right? Yeah. So it is part of the metabolic syndrome X linked to the link and the animal protein and the animal fat. Wait for a few more years and you will also reach monobese. When you have say entry point as diabetes, soon you are going to pick up diabetes, heart disease, obesity, सब आएगा. 5-10 साल में सबकी मेडिसिन आपके अंदर आ जाएगी. साथ में थायराइड भी डिटेक्ट हो जाएगा, हाई कोलेस्ट्रॉल भी हो जाएगा, सब कुछ हो जाएगा. होएगा. एंट्री पॉइंट कोई भी एक रहेगा और इन अ फैमिली चारों को एक हो सकता है डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर वल्नरेबिलिटी. तो दिस इज हैपनिंग, दिस इज द रियलिटी.
But Ayurveda suggests they use milk and milk products like milk.
I will take that question at the end.
Question, right?
Can I take questions at the end? Because I will definitely take it. So milk is not must for our calcium needs. I told you the other way around, and actually it takes away the calcium. More you consume milk, more is going to be the calcium deficiency. It is observed that in Scandinavian countries, they are the highest producer of milk. They consume also a lot and highest amount of osteoporosis. Now these are the facts the industry is going to ever share with you or tell you about. Milk contains a particular protein, it's called as casein, and it's very harmful. It is linked with cancer. And casein energy is also low, and I'm going to talk more about it, how it makes you addicted. This is the doctor who has written this book. It's called as China Study. It's a very big volume. I'm going to show you the picture. And he has talked all about what milk can do. It also has high cholesterol. It also has diabetes. It also has all these other things, pesticides, antibiotics. What happens? They are given hormones. The hormones makes their udders very big. Because of that, they are infected when they are given antibiotics. When a mother is pregnant, what घर के सारे लोग क्या क्या एडवाइस देते हैं, बेटा ये मत खाना, वो मत खाना, क्योंकि बेबी को जाएगा. So for all 9 months you really take care. और अच्छा खाना खाएंगे और you don't want to take any antibiotics. The doctor will also ask you, if you're pregnant, I won't give you antibiotics. बात खत्म. Then the baby is born, फिर breast feeding चालू हो जाता है. Breast feeding चालू होता है, डॉक्टर को कहते हैं all the antibiotics pass into the breast milk. So I will not give you any antibiotic. You are so careful, yeah? And you don't take, and you always eat very good food. बात खत्म. फिर 6 महीने के बाद क्या होता है? एक ग्लास आता है आपके टेबल पे मिल्क का. ये बेटा bring the bottle, फिर पिलाओ अपने बच्चे को. And then you forget to ask the same questions. What questions? The mother gave this milk. Has she taken any antibiotics? Right? It's clear that you think this white drink, liquid, whatever it is healthy. You forget to ask the same questions and you say it's healthy, better you have to have. Close his nose, you put some sugar, you put some chocolate, it's good milk, pilai denge. Now that is because of traditional condition that we have, that milk is good. But it contains all this stuff. There was a study done recently and the samples were taken all across India. It was done by government and 70% of the milk samples were contaminated, adulterated completely. And there were only 30%, there were only 2 states, Pondicherry and Goa had proper milk, all other states had contaminated. It has all these things, it has hormones. The hormones go into the milk, go into your body. There's pus cells because there's too much of infection. There's certain amount of pus cell allowed. This has very high amount of pus. Urea is added. Earthworms are added for preservation. The milk बाजू में से थोड़ी आता है, कहीं दूर से आता है. 24 घंटा कहाँ कब निकाला, कब आता है, कब आपके पास आता है. Neatly पैक करके आता है. This is what it contains finally, the milk. So I would like to show you a milk adulteration video if you are interested. Are you?
Yes.
Okay, let me show you.
Mumbai authorities have detected a huge scam of milk adulteration. According to their estimates, 25% of their milk supply is adulterated. Milk bags from the purest companies like Amul, Gokul and Mahana were found to be tampered with. Every time you raise a toast to that heartwarming cuppa, you might want to think twice. Here in the back alleys of Mumbai's slum pockets, there's many a slip. But in the wee hours of Friday, 1,000 liters of adulterated milk seized during raids at 5 places like this one in Andheri West. The modus operandi is simple. Puncture the packets, add water to each and reseal them. The milk thus siphoned off is then sold in the open market. But despite regular raids by the FDA, it seems this illegal trade is a thriving industry in Mumbai's dingy slums. Though the adulteration takes place in the supply chain, consumption figures explain just why this illegal activity is so widespread. Mumbai requires a whopping 40 lakh liters a day. Of this, 30 lakh liters is supplied by government and private dairies outside the city. The remaining 10 lakh liters is sourced from pavelas, cowsheds located in the city. So the next time one of these is delivered to your doorstep, you might want to check the seal very, very carefully. Bureau Report, NDTV.
So Mansa will take a break on this and maybe we will Sure, I mean, you do have, but later on at the second half, I will show you what you should have, how you can change, how I have changed. I just simply give you some guidelines. You can simply do it at home. You don't need any else doctor or health clinic to do it. And then if you do, you will see the change in your What I do, I inspire people to do it for 30 days. 30 दिन तक आप इस तरह से करके देखिए, and most of them are immediate conversion. In 30 days, the magic happens. You start losing extra weight, you start feeling so much better, and then you are overwhelmed as to what is this. So, the proof of all this will be in experiencing yourself. And I did it because somebody inspired me exactly the same. Someone who was highly educated, intellectual, someone who can appeal to my mind, and I did it for 30 days. 5 years ago, I did it for 30 days. So, chalo dekhti hu. I'm a doctor. I thought I'm very educated. I know so much stuff, alternative stuff, everything. I just say will भी नहीं लेना है extreme. So, चलो मैं 30 दिन के लिए try करती हूँ. But in the first week itself, I started feeling the difference. I used to suffer from migraine headaches for 18 years. And all my natural medicines would only help me so much, not more. I didn't take any allopathic. And once in a month, the headache would be so severe that I have to vomit, lie down, take rest, and then only go to work next day. And when that headache would come, I don't know. It would be in the middle of something. And other days also always constantly tired, aches and pains, acidity, indigestion. And within first week itself, I saw the magic. Acidity went away. In 4th week, there was not a single attack of headache. I was completely overwhelmed. How that can be. And then it's been 5 years and I'm totally free of any such headaches. Completely healthy. I lost a few kilos that I had extra on my body. My size was 34, now I'm wearing 28 size. So you understand that I didn't understand this stuff so easily because it is so deeply culturally rooted in our own system, in our own household. We are proud to be vegetarian. I am also proud to be a vegetarian. But milk is not vegetarian. Milk comes from an animal body. It has the pus cells, it has some of the body cells. It has a shelf life. If milk was red in color, we wouldn't have taken it. It's just really the red blood cells are out, the rest of the composition is really all white. But we are traditionally, all the time, Krishna के ज़माने से हम तो दूध पी के आए. Lord Krishna was always, makhan chor. So we are but we are not having a lifestyle which is suitable to consume that milk anymore. अगर आप पंजाब में जाएंगे तो इतना बड़ा गिलास लस्सी देंगे, बरोबर है? आप गुजरात में जाएंगे, कच्छ में जाएंगे तो कच्ची बियर बोलते हैं, छाछ पी. दही छाछ के बिना उनका दिन खत्म नहीं होता है. पनीर बनता है. आप बंगाल में जाएंगे तो संदेश और मिष्टी पूरी. साउथ इंडिया में जाएंगे तो कर्ड राइस. इतना सारा कर्ड राइस के बिना एक भी मिल खत्म नहीं होता. सो मिल्क इज सो डीपली रूटेड इन आवर ओन कल्चर. बट वी आर नॉट लिविंग अ लाइफस्टाइल. व्हाट इज आवर लाइफस्टाइल नाउ? सिटिंग ऑन द टेबल. हम जा रहे हैं क्या खेतों में? हम हार्डवर्क करते हैं, पूरे दिन पूरा डाइजेस्ट करते हैं, ये नहीं करते हैं. Our food should be suitable to our lifestyle. They were working hard in the farms. They were living in the company of fresh air, sunshine. They were digesting all these things. And when were they taking that milk? सबके घर में गाय रहती थी. वो गाय वाले जो घर रहते थे वो एकदम रिच रहते थे. उसमें भी वो गाय अपने आप प्रेगनेंट होती थी. जब ही becomes a big news in the whole village. यानी ये प्रेगनेंट हो गई मतलब वो दूध देगी. देगी तो 2-3 साल तक घर के सब लोगों को दूध मिलेगी. दिस इज हाउ द मिल्क वाज टेकन. और ऐसे नहीं लेते थे, उसके बच्चे को देते थे पहले, बाद में एक्स्ट्रा मिल्क लेते थे. और वो भी फ्रेश रहते थे, कच्चा रहता था. और उसका फिर कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स बना के खा लेते थे. दूध वाले घर खाते पीते सुखी घर के लोग थे. एंड एवरीवन couldn't afford milk. And if she became pregnant, she got milk, not otherwise, no? Here there is industry. She is made pregnant at the age of 2 years, when she is not even ready. She has a baby, then milk production starts. Then she is again quickly made pregnant again, artificial insemination. Again she gives milk because the production line must continue. If a male calf comes, what do you do with the male calf? क्या काम करते हैं? तो देख अब कोई उसे पालेगा नहीं, तो आप ऐसे ही छोड़ देते वो मर जाता है। कभी कभी उसके चमड़े को ऐसा स्टफिंग करके वो गाय के सामने रखते हैं, so that she will give milk. She is weeping for her baby and she is giving milk. She thinks that's her baby. This is how the milk production happens. This is how a glass of milk comes on the table. By the time she has given 4 babies, if it's a female one, she is kept. If it's a male one, she goes for a leather industry, for your soft chappals from Khadi Gramodya or wherever. Soft chappals, the leather is very soft. The meat goes for the meat industry. It's a very light pink color, soft meat. That's all the fate. By the time she's 7-year-old, she's gone. For India is the largest